up, guys? It is the next day. Just checked out at a hotel. Got my receipt. Good to go. Jen just put the stuff in the car, her bags. Now we're gonna go try to move Orwell. I don't really like leaving him in the truck stop, and I don't want to put him at the McDonald's over here either. That's way too tight of a parking space. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out where to put him. I think I got an idea. Here, babe. Yeah, I can give it to you. You won't lose it.
Yeah.
Ready to go home?
Yes.
All right. Let's go figure out where to put Orwell. Don't worry, guys. I found an alternative. We're not going to leave it here at the pilot for that kind of time. I figure by the time we take the car back home, get the company truck, get back here, deliver the freight, and then get back to pick up Orwell, we're looking at a solid week. I don't want to leave the truck here. He's over there just grinding his trans away. No clutch brake, I guess. Anyway, so I'm going to get fired up. It really wasn't that cold. I don't know. Could be good, could be bad. Let's just see. But we're going to go fire it up and move it over here to the local tire shop. I talked to them about making a deal for they can charge me for it, or I can give them a plug, so we'll work on that. But either way, I know the truck will be safe, even if it's gonna cost me a couple bucks, no big deal. With that, I want to give a big shout out to Sylvester Truck Tire Service. When I broke down here, coming here, my best guess was just to make it to the pilot. I pulled in over here once I saw that there was a place that had a secure parking lot, and that's what I was able to do with them. I didn't need any service here. Obviously, I didn't need any tire work, and thankfully, I didn't need them to tow me here. But with that being said, they also do have a tow truck here. I did see once we pull in here. In fact, I seen them dragging in one of these straight trucks when we were leaving after I dropped off Orwell. But with that, I wanted to give them a big shout out, throw them a little plug for the fact that they did let me keep my truck and trailer here while it was loaded in their secured lot, and then also hold on to Orwell. That way I didn't have to worry about anybody hitting it, crashing into it, or messing with it. They're right across from the pilot. In fact, right across from me right here, you can look at the interstate. You guys see this place all the time. You probably don't even know it's here. I didn't know it was here until after I had got here. With that, they are a Goodyear dealer. So if you need tires or towing, they're your place. I imagine since they also do tires and whatnot, I imagine they also do light work such as brakes and so on. They are a tire shop for trucks and for cars. So regardless of what you're driving, from a big heavy semi truck to a little Prius, whatever you need, they'll be able to get you tires for. Go ahead and check them out at sylvestertire.com. They're right here in Avon, Ohio, ready to meet your needs. Give them a call. And if you do, tell them the YouTube guy with the Cabover sent you. FSC Speed Shop. You know how we do it. All right, with that, let's get and fire it up. Sylvester Truck Tire Service, thank you very much for holding on to Orwell. I really do appreciate it. Awesome. All right, baby, you're the camera lady. Let's go fire it up. You hear all that? That's why I'm scared to hire a driver. Tear my own crap up. Wow. They drive among us. course, I didn't have a chance in hell in being able to plug it in. It's only been here for about 24 hours, and it was quite cold. It was like 8, 9, 12 degrees yesterday, so there it is. But we did get her fired up, so now we got to let it air up, warm up a little bit, and then we'll move her over to the tire shop and leave it sit there, and we'll have to do this again next week. Yay. bit, I'm gonna drop the trailer and just pull out in front of it a little bit. That way it'll let the batteries recharge a little while I'm doing that. Plus also I don't have to mess with it later and move it anymore, because believe me, I was a little nervous getting it from there to here. Although now that the box is cold, it shifted a little easier, but it's still, you guys heard it, it sounds terrible. So we're not even gonna mess with it. We're just gonna leave it here, come back with the rental, and then tow it out of here once we empty out that trailer. Boys and girls, I wanted to show you something real quick. I did a live stream a while back. I don't know if I can lift the thing of it or not. You guys are asking, why don't you just rent a Penske? Well, number one, I'll get a better deal from Widmeyer as far as a rental truck to come get it, because they're set up to pull their own trailers, as am I. It's these build-up ramps is what a Penske won't have. See, the trailer rides up your trailer frame, up a set of build-up ramps, and then up to your fifth wheel. A Penske, you'd have to ride it all the way up your frame without build-ups. And that's a bit steep of an incline right here to have to climb up. Don't worry guys, Merc's okay. Gotta get something out front. This car, rather than telling you, okay, I'm just out when you hit the button and it doesn't spray on the windshield, it actually tells you that you're running low. Was there a lot of slop on the road getting here, or not that bad?
Yeah.
You didn't exactly start full.
Towards the end.
Yeah, well, pretty yucked up looking. Look at that. Look at that ugly thing. Ah! Look at all this ugly. Ah! Gotta get washed. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that I don't show you guys. Maybe I should. All right, that's it for that.